forgetting that one day we'll leave this world. We will go with no dream, yeah.
Assalamu alaikum guys, I hope you're doing well. In this video we will learn the Arabic vocabulary words for clothes and jewelry. So let's get started. So the first word we have is malabis. Malabis, clothes. Nazara. Nazara, glasses. Qubba'a. Qubba'a, cap. Fustan. Fustan, dress. Mahfaza. Mahfaza, wallet. Thob. Thob, rope. Bantaloon. Bantaloon, trousers. Hizam. Hizam, belt. Badla. Badla, shirt. Qamis. Qamis, shirt. Hida. Hida, shoes. معطف. معطف, coat. جارب. جارب, shaq. So these were the Arabic vocabulary words for the clothes and jewelry in Arabic, and I'll see you guys in the video. Until next time, assalamu alaikum.
On this side, we are just passing by, like a river from the mountain, and never can water turn back to the town. We dream the dream that can never save us from the end. Never take fire with you when you go. Whoa. Your words will never follow you. Relatives won't save you. Only your deeds will do you good or bad. So now is the best time to work for your Jannah. Remember Allah, He will remember. My biggest dreams to see you. See you will be my pleasure. 'Cause no one is like you. I wish to see you. See you will be my pleasure. 'Cause no one is like you. And I wish to fast the prophet. I wish to fast the prophet. Be with him in Jannah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. So many dreams, yeah, in my life. I dream a lot of things.